This is a Wi-Fi Bluetooth light bulb. It does come with a little bit of a learning curve and this beautiful app. So I would say definitely you have to read the instructions on this in order to make it work. It did take a little bit of trial and error, so just a little bit of a note there. Here's what the bulbs look like right out of the package. I'll go ahead and show you what the app looks like. So here's my light bulb. I have all of the effects on this tab right here, so you can have different tones. There's fruit. You can tap on different colors. So here's the red. You have purple. Love the purple. We have a yellow, green, blue, and you get to be totally custom down here in case you wanted to make your own color. There's also a color wheel, and you can save out different colors by editing right here. So let's just say I wanted to save out yellow, and I wanted to save out pink, as well as blue, and this blue. Now they're all saved, and I can access them anytime right here on my colors with just a tap. Super fun. Once you do learn it, it does make things very awesome. I love this light bulb so much. 10 out of 10, recommend to a friend.